Trang, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need. Clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
This is Long San Pagoda, and we just have some really nice views around here, so I'm going to show some of the views in a moment, and then we're going to go downhill and show you what it looks like from down below. Stay tuned. Okay, Nha Trang, Long San Pagoda. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And yeah, this is a series of Nha Trang ones, so there's going to be 19 total. This is number 13. That means there's still 6 more that I'm going to upload, different parts of Nha Trang. So maybe like and subscribe, make some comments below. And we're also going to show you the song. So I wrote the song and fed it into an AI program that created the music. So that's what that's all about. Let's just get right into the walk and talk and show you Long San Pagoda in Nha Trang, Vietnam. Okay, so this one is beautiful, of course, and we also have some really nice views, so I'm gonna take you to some of those now. And this is basically a pagoda way up on the top of the hill. That's the weight that I came down, and you can see all the buildings in the background. And now that I'm here, it's kind of interesting just seeing all the mountains in the background and also all the white buildings. So that's going to be my theme. And it's also just kind of a way to show you a little bit of what it looks like here. So let's see. You can kind of see the view over there as well. We're going to be walking in that direction in a moment. So this looks like one of the alternative ways down. Yeah, and if you can see, I see some ships in the harbor down that way as well. So I guess that direction, and mostly I just see houses though. This is from the back. And then we're gonna walk over to the other side as well and show you from what it looks like over there. And right in here is the entrance. This is looking to the north, northwest. And that'd be kind of northeast. So you can kind of see that we have lots of white buildings, and then the mountains are in the background, and the ocean is on the other side. I did go inside there earlier, but I want to respect the privacy of the participants. Okay, so this is basically the northeast corner. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go down the hill.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So now we're going to go on down. Just real quick, dragon. It's lots of the year of the dragon as well, coincidentally. The little side of the Chung. So we're gonna go down. And as soon as we come down here, we got some market kinds of things. Can also get some water. And another dragon. Okay, so we're gonna go down. We have to take a lot of steps to get up here. Hello, how are you? Okay, so now we have a nice view with the pagoda right next to us as well. And the city backdrop as well. Now we're gonna head on down. So this is Sunlong Temple or Long Sun? Got some bamboo straight ahead, which is always kind of cool to see. And there's quite a few steps down, and then we have another temple, and then we come down to the main road. So just as my way to show you a little bit more of Nha Trang, I'll highlight that. Okay.
Скорее. Нет, Казахстан.
Hello.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Thank you. Guess I have Thai kit as well. This is kind of interesting. Also interesting, everybody is in prayer with their hands. I didn't expect to see that one here. So we're gonna go in down. Oh, nice cool breeze right there. Got that nice temple. So we're gonna go all the way down as well. Actually, it's kind of the same as people always say in front of the temple in Bag. But I think it's also good. It's like kind of luck if you give something to them too, though. So. Okay, so we're gonna head out to the front. Okay, so here's the front part. And we're gonna go that direction. So that's kind of the entrance gate, and then there's, you get fresh fruits down in this way. You could even sit here and drink fresh drinks here too. So this is basically the starting spot. And then you can see the statue up at the top. Beautiful flowers in here. Okay, so this is Songlan Temple. You kind of have an idea of what it looks like a little bit. And out front is the main road, and to the right is kind of a restaurant that you can get something to eat or drink in that area. So a little slice of Nha Trang for you. It's kind of interesting because I see all the Chinese characters everywhere, and then they also have some of the deities that I'll see in Macau. For those that don't know, I live in Macau, so. And now we're out at the main street right out here, which is where we're gonna end the video. There's Long San, Pagoda Long San, and I'm mispronouncing it, of course. Okay.
Walking around the train by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.